today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export 3D models from Luma AI. If you've captured a scene or generated a model in Luma AI and now want to bring it into your favorite 3D software, the export process is quick and predictable once you know where to look. We'll walk through it clearly, adding a few pointers so you know what to expect at each stage. Start by opening a board you recently worked on. In Luma AI, a board is simply your workspace for a project or a collection of related captures and models. It helps keep everything organized, especially if you've been experimenting with multiple scenes. Once the board loads, give it a moment for thumbnails to render, especially if you're on a slower connection or have many items in one place. Next, look for the generated 3D model you want to export. In most cases, you'll see a thumbnail that represents the model with a small cube icon or a label that makes it clear it's a 3D asset rather than a raw capture or image. If you have several versions or different takes, glance at their timestamps or names to pick the one you're ready to use outside of Luma AI. Click on that model to open it. This will take you into the model's preview page where you can view it in a 3D viewer. It's a good moment to confirm that it's the correct version. Check the lighting, the overall geometry, and the textures at a glance. This preview is helpful because it shows you the model exactly as it will be packaged for export. Now look toward the upper right area of the interface for the download button. It's typically represented by a downward arrow or a similar icon that clearly indicates downloading. The button sits near other actions, so scan the top right corner of the viewer or page header if you don't see it immediately. Click the download button to start the export. Your browser will begin downloading the file, which may arrive as a single model file or a compressed archive containing the mesh and textures. Depending on your browser settings, it'll land in your default downloads folder, or you'll be prompted to choose a location. Keep an eye on the file name so you can find it quickly later, and make sure you have enough disk space if the model includes high-resolution textures. That's it. You've exported your 3D model from Luma AI, and it's now ready to bring into your preferred 3D tool or game engine. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.